With the recorder turned on, we come to the bottom left. Click on Setup. From Setup, we go to System. And in System, we click on Maintenance. Maintenance is used to export the configuration of the NVR. So in Maintenance, come to Parameter Management. To export, click on Save Settings and select whatever path or external device where you want your settings saved to. For exporting the settings for the camera, we come here. This shows only the cameras that are live. We'll click on them. The particular ones we want to export their settings, type in our admin password. Once we are done doing that, we'll click on Authenticate. And if you have an external device connected, we'll find it here. And we'll be able to export the configuration of the camera selected. This is how we export the configuration of our recorder or our camera.